go. Yeah.
All right, let's get to these Kismet meatballs, shall we? All right, so I'm going to actually separate these.
Okay.
We have some ground lamb, some fresh ground lamb. This is actually organic lamb. So we're going to go halfsies here. And you might have to get your hands in here. Get a little dirty for the meatballs, okay? All right, so we have several different ingredients here. So let's talk about the ingredients.
Yeah.
So we have egg. And this is actually one egg that we just kind of lightly whipped a little bit. Okay, just a little bit of egg. So if you want to put half and half, you can do that. We also have some breadcrumbs. These breadcrumbs are a little bit larger in grain, but that's perfectly fine because when they bake in the oven, it's actually just going to melt in with everything else that we have going on. Okay? So you want to do maybe a tablespoon on each side, roughly a tablespoon. And then we have a little bit of Parmesan Reggiano cheese, right? That's just going to make these meatballs super moist, again, along with the breadcrumbs and the egg. So I'm going to add some of that. Now we also have just a little bit of flour, right? Flour is our binding agent, so that's what's going to hold everything together. All right, so I'll put a little bit of that in there. Onions. And so if you guys saw me on my other show, Love, Life, and Spices, you know that I have a thing for onions.
I love onions too.
You love onions too?
I eat raw onions.
Oh, okay. Well, this is right up your alley. Go ahead and add onions to the meatballs. And this is oregano. Fresh oregano. Fresh herbs. Whenever you can cook with fresh herbs, we want to do that, right? It kind of brightens up the dish. So I put some of that in there. And then we also have, let's see. Oh, mint, right?
I love mint.
Do you love mint?
Oh my God. Yeah, I'll tell you about another story from another trip involving mint.
Involving mint.
Yes.
Well, tell me now.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, there's this really, really good Moroccan tea that's made with fresh mint.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It's
amazing.
Okay. I like that. So this is actually a combination of pepper and cayenne. Do you like a little heat?
I love heat. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
This. We're just going to go halfsies in there and just dump it
smells
on there.
so good already.
All right, what about garlic? How do you feel about fresh garlic?
Vampires beware. I love garlic.
Okay.
I love garlic.
All right.
You
can go a little heavy. What you on? You said you like it.
Yes. I take garlic when I'm sick, and I.
Why you give me more?
Oh, I didn't. I'm sorry. Let me take some. No. Okay, just a little less. I remember eating garlic before I go to work sometimes, and I'm just like, I don't even care if I smell like garlic.
Oh, okay. See,
yeah, especially with the hot flashes. I'm like, I know I smell like garlic. I'm like, well,
you're like, I love garlic. Is okay, so
it's
I'm
okay.
Good.
It's okay.
Yeah, definitely. All right, how we looking? We need some cumin in there.
Oh yeah.
We have cumin and coriander. Cumin and coriander. So a little bit of that in there. There we go. Doesn't it smell good?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, so let's see. We have ground lamb, right? Yep. We have breadcrumbs. We have flour. Herbs. What do we have? Do you remember?
Mint.
Mint and
coriander, thyme.
Oregano.
We
had some oregano in there. I know. What did we just put in there? Onions,
my favorite.
Eggs,
garlic,
yes, all that good stuff.
Yeah, all that stuff. Yes.
Now we need a little bit of salt.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
I know, right?
Yes.
Take a pinch or two.
Okay. I don't like too much salt.
Okay. Well, this all gonna get mixed together, honey.
Okay.
So you know.
Okay. Oh. Okay. All right. I trust you.
Spice fairy. Come on, honey.
I trust you.
I know, right? Okay. So now we're going to go on with a little bit of fat. We have some olive oil that we're just going to put right on top of here. Just a little bit.
These are like all the things that I love.
Oh, good.
I love olive oil.
All right. Now let me see. Let's check this out. What does it look like? What does it look like to you guys? Does it look interesting, appetizing, right? Kind of going on a little bit. Okay. All right. Let's see. We might need a little bit more breadcrumbs, I think. Let's go in a little bit more. All right, honey, you ready to get down and dirty?
I'm ready.
Take my ring off.
Okay.
I was trying to look cute, but you know.
I was.
Oh wait, I almost forgot. I want some tomato paste in there. What do you think?
Yeah.
Just a little bit?
Yes, I love tomato paste.
Okay.
Yes.
This will add a little bit of kick to it. And also, because it's a paste, it's highly concentrated, so it's tons of flavor. All right, so a little squirt for you, darling.
Then how do they make
a little squirt for me?
How's tomato paste made?
Oh, it's actually condensed tomatoes. So you just let it cook down and let it get nice and thick. And you're reserving all of the flavor without the liquid.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Yes, honey. Okay. Are you here for that?
I am.
All right.
I've always seen like the tubes of tomato paste.
Yes.
Like,
and sometimes you can get it in a little can also. Okay. It'll come in like a little can. All right, you ready to start mixing?
All right.
Oh, this looks so good.
It smells really good.
I was going to say, does it smell good too?
It does.
Okay. Does it remind you of your travels in Greece?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
All right. So do you remember doing my makeup on the runway when I first met you? Was doing the runway show?
Sometimes I forget what I did yesterday, the day before.
No. You know what the thing is?
Have to remind me because.
Wait a minute. Have you ever gone into a room and you go, "What did I come in here for?"
All the time.
Right?
All the time. Yes. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So let's see. I think we were at Sephora. Were we at Sephora? I think we were. Were we? Do you remember when, so the one thing that really sticks out to me, this wasn't the first time I met you. I think this was maybe the second or third time you did my makeup.
Okay.
And Sam Fine was there. Remember?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I still remember meeting him for the first time.
Yes.
Fabulous, wonderful personality.
Yes. Black makeup artist.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shout out to Sam. Hey.
Yes. Oh my God. Yes, I remember. That was a long time ago,
right?
Yes.
But
we were so young. We were like
girl,
kids.
we're still young.
We were kids then.
Yeah, we're mature kids now.
We were kids.
We are mature kids now. All right. So how's yours looking?
Oh, it looks good. I think I mix it up.
You have more meat than I do.
Do I? Okay. Here we go.
So. No. Just mix it up.
Okay.
She's gonna
more
share
meat.
it.
Does that mean like more work? Like more?
Yeah.
Does it? Okay. I'm gonna.
You
okay.
want to?
There you go. Right. There you go.
Well, at least she's a sharing friend, right?
Yes. You're a chef. There you go.
So, one thing I remember about meeting Sam, going back to that, I remember him doing his presentation, and we're all standing around him, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, leaning into what he's going to say. And he paused for a second. He looked at me like he was going to say something. And to me, it was the longest pause in the world, because I'm hanging on to every word, right? And then he goes, and then kept talking. I want to know what that thought was. Like, in my mind, it was the Lord saying, no, she's not ready for that piece of information yet.
Or maybe he just forgot, like we do.
Yeah, that's possible.
Maybe he forgot. Maybe he was like, I forgot what I was going to say.
What I was going to say.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe that was it too. All right, how are these looking? Are you ready to get in here and make some bowls?
Yes. Okay.
All right, so let me push these back out of the way. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking I want a little bit more cumin in there. What do you guys think? More cumin?
Yes.
Yes?
Let's do it.
Let's go for it. A little more cumin. Give me some, give me some. Thank you. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so now, when you're doing these, we are going to heat up our oven. So let's get the oven on. Let's get this up to 400. Actually, you know what? Let's bake them at 375. There we go. Now, I'm going to use a baking sheet for these. We're just going to form the meatballs and put them right on here. This is a silicone mat I have at the bottom. But if you don't have this, to keep them from sticking, you can use aluminum foil. You can use parchment paper. And then spray it with cooking spray, like the non-stick spray. That way the meatballs don't stick. All right, so let's put this right here. Scooch all that other stuff back. There we go. That looks good. All right, so let's go ahead and form these. And we're going to do these relatively small.
Okay.
Because, again, these are appetizers. So you think small plates, right?
Okay.
All right, so I'm just going to take some and put it in my hand like this. Roll it around. And then we're just going to plate it like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
I know, doesn't it?
Yes.
I cannot wait to bite into these.
Yes.
I think they're going to be super juicy.
Mine are a little tiny.
They're a little tiny. Maybe mine are a little big. How about that? I'll take some of mine off.
Okay.
We got to make it stretch because,
we
have a whole crew to feed here. They're all like ready to eat. You're like, save us some, shoot.
I think it'd be more than enough.
I think so too. Especially with everything else we have going on.
Yes.
Yeah. We still have 2 more appetizers to make.
Oh
my gosh.
Looks so good.
I know, right?
Yeah.
All right. And they're all relatively the same size. Yes. I like that.
You're doing pretty good.
So if they're all the same size, and that means they're all going to cook at the same rate. That way we won't have some overdone and some not done at all. Okay? All right. Let's keep getting these on here. All right. So let's see. What's up next after this? I think we're going to do the spinach next. Yeah, the little spinach cups.
Yes.
Yeah. And another thing I like about doing appetizers, small plates, is just like finger food. So you just kind of, you know, pick it up, pop it in your mouth, and it actually works. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. Who's going to finish first?
Oh, let's see. I don't know.
Wait, no.
Oh, we have to scooch these. Oh, we need some more room.
You scooch right away. Here, we can't put these together because they're not going to spread out.
Okay.
So let's do that. Since they're not expanding like cookies. We should have done cookies, girl. What are we going to have for dessert? We don't have a single.
I don't know if we have dessert, right? For dessert.
I don't know. And we're going to have a little, did we get Prosecco?
Yes, I saw it in the fridge.
Oh, yes. It's going to be a party here, guys. So, girlfriends get together, guy friends get together. This is the perfect. Oh, that baby needs some more.
Okay.
Give him some love. Give him a little love.
Here. Yes.
You lucky you got a little.
Had a little tiny a little mini one.
A little mini ball.
Yes, that's when you're taking like a taste. See if it's good. You know, you don't want to eat up all the food.
Comments. Like, no comments. Okay, we're gonna go wash our hands, and when we come back, it's spinach time.